Welcome back, travel fam. We are so excited for you to join us today on the Bacalar 7 Colors Lagoon tour. I've been there before. My wife has not been there before. So I'm excited for her to be able to experience the stuff that we experienced. So if you haven't seen it, go back and watch the other video as you continue to watch this video. We just pulled up to the port of Costa, Mexico. This is our first excursion. We had a sea day, as you saw. We had the embarkation. And now we get to go on our first tour. So now we're going to go out and show you the port. Oh, feels good.
I guess my legs are You're tall enough you won't even go under. I know, right? You ready?
I don't know if you...
Get everything situated.
Come on, girl.
Hold them girls down.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
So I jumped in the water. I didn't realize it was that deep. I asked for a ladder. I didn't need one.
It was literally 3 feet. Got it.
That might be
That might be it.
It's like
Please
an
do.
all-inclusive Passion Island or something. I don't know.
Lots of beach time and alcohol. Beach time and alcohol. That's cool.
You ever see the snail?
Yeah.
That was one actually. Oh my god.
I don't know what's
Not
in
that
there.
big.
Yeah, that's
Oh wow.
that's totally cool.
Oh, that's so cool.
That is cool.
Is there one in there too? Yep. Yeah.
Oh wow.
I've never seen one.
I'd never seen one like that. Oh, those little boys, man.
Now I'm like the rest of them.
She thought she had to have a ladder to get in.
I didn't realize it was that shallow.
Come on now. Come on now. Ready to eat, baby?
Guacamole.
Is it good? Chicken fajita. What's up, fam? We finally made it back from our trip from Bacalar. I hope you enjoy the content. Check out the next video. Check out the video before that. Check out the video way back before that. And we out. Oh, before we go, check out my little crab, buddy.